Have you ever heard of a bunny going on an adventure? Well, there's a tale from the lush green forests of Everwood about a bunny named Sparky. Unlike other bunnies, Sparky had a thirst for adventure that led him to a shimmering golden key lying amidst a bed of daisies. Sparky, with the key in his paws, embarked on a journey through dense forests, across babbling brooks, and up towering mountains. His destination, the edge of the Enchanted Woods, a place believed to hold unimaginable secrets. The golden key guided him to a hidden door, and with a brave leap, he opened it to reveal a magical realm. This realm was a kingdom ruled by a wise old owl named Ollie, but the kingdom was in peril, shrouded in darkness by an evil sorcerer. Ollie shared with Sparky the legend of the Everlight Crystal, a powerful artifact that could restore light and peace to the land. Sparky, filled with determination, volunteered to retrieve the crystal. With Ollie's guidance and a newfound courage, he embarked on a quest fraught with challenges. He braved treacherous dungeons, outsmarted cunning adversaries, and faced his deepest fears. After overcoming every obstacle, Sparky reached the heart of the darkened citadel, where the Everlight Crystal awaited. He seized the crystal, its radiant glow illuminating the darkness and restoring light to the kingdom. With the return of peace, Sparky was hailed as a hero. The forest echoed with joy and laughter, celebrating his bravery. From then on, Sparky was known as Sparky the Brave Bunny, revered throughout Everwood for his courage and selflessness. And so, Sparky's tale of adventure ends, but his spirit lives on. Wherever there is darkness, Sparky the Brave Bunny will be there, a beacon of hope for all. And as we bid goodbye to Sparky and his friends, they dance beneath the starlit sky, their laughter echoing through the enchanted forest. A testament to the adventures of Sparky the Brave Bunny. Don't forget to subscribe to hear more tales of adventure, courage, and hope. Until next time.